everyone. Want to change the language on your Android phone but not sure how to do it? Don't worry, in this video I will show you exactly how to change your Android phone language step by step. Step 1. Open phone settings. First, open the settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and look for system or additional settings. The option name may be different depending on your device. Step 2. Go to language and input. Now tap on language and input or language and region. This section controls all language related settings on your phone. Step 3. Open languages. Tap on languages. Here you will see the languages your phone is currently open using. Step 4. Add a new language. Next, tap a language. Select your preferred language from the list. Then choose the correct region. Step 5. Set the language as default. After adding the new language, move it to the top of the list or tap Set as default. Your phone will change to the new language instantly. Important tips. The phone may take a few seconds to apply the new language. You can add multiple language and switch between them anytime. Some apps may use their own languages settings. And that's it. This is how you can easily change the language on your Android phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more simple Android and Teach tips.